Wait, Google just dropped something wild. Nano banana. No, not a fruit. Bro, it's their new AI model that could literally retire Photoshop. Uh, I said something wrong. जाने दो. My spider sense says this is big. This is really big. लेकिन एक बात बताऊं, it's not perfect. Today I will show you the hype and the real flaws. People are going crazy because Nano Banana edit image just by your words. Say, turn my selfie into Iron Man at an Indian wedding. And boom, it
This is a
delivers.
great event.
I know, let's take a picture together.
Unlike older tools, it usually keeps your style and vibe intact. Sounds magical, right? But थोड़ा overhype भी है. This model first appeared online under the code name Nano Banana. Nobody knew it was Google until Sundar Pichai himself dropped banana emoji. Full Nick Fury vibes, like hinting at an Avenger Assemble moment. Like Fury with bananas calling Avengers. Here's why people are calling it Doctor Strange level sorcery. Text to edit photos instantly, super fast, Quicksilver speed, keeps the character consistent across edit, can blend two images like horse, hammer plus Mumbai cutting से है, like blending of those two images. Basically, it's a Photoshop on steroids. ये बराबर बोला मैं, steroids वाला जो है वो. Reload. Go to Gemini. Gemini पे जाइए. देखिए यही बोल के आ रहा है. तो ये बनाना का लोगो, ट्राई इमेज एडिटिंग विद अवर बेस्ट इमेज मॉडल नैनो बनाना. और ट्राई इमेज कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, बस यहाँ पे एक देखना है कि 2.5 फ्लैश मॉडल सिलेक्टेड है और इस 3 बटन पे जाके क्रिएट इमेज पे जाके ये सिलेक्ट करना है. दैट्स इट. हाँ, ये तो था एक पार्ट. लेट मी शो यू. आई हैव रन सम टेस्ट केसेस और यू कैन से आई हैव डन सम मेहनत. मेहनत कर, मैंने की है मेहनत. हाँ, पता है आपको कौन सा रेफरेंस है. आ गया जेमिनाई. ये मिल गया जेमिनाई. जैसे कि पिछले एग्जांपल में मैंने ये इमेज जनरेट किया था थॉर का हैमर का, फिर जनरेट किया क्या मुंबई कटिंग चाय का, और ब्लेंड दिस 2 इमेजेस एंड इट डिड द जॉब. लाइक देखा ना आपने पहले कैसा किया. उसके बाद मैंने लिखा राइट अ टेक्स्ट इन द इमेज कॉल्ड चाय विद बाय. इट डिड दैट. Also, add a figure like Salman Bhai over in the image. I did that as well. Then put the text in the top middle part and पता नहीं ये prompt गलत डाला है किस वजह से आया, but मैंने फिर डाला कि the text with Chai with Bhai will have style of roots of tree. So it did that. Then make the text bigger and in the middle. Then it did the job and it does the job. Like whether it is the adding the text or adding any element or doing anything over there. Now change Salman Bhai dress to picnic clothes. It did that as well. See, Salman Bhai क्या मस्त चिल कर रहे. चाय, थॉर का हैमर और चाय विद बाय. How the image will look from behind? Let's take an example कि ये image पीछे से कैसे दिखेगा. और ये है अपने पास रिजल्ट. Pretty amazing ना. ये नैनो बनाना, नैनो नहीं मेगा चाहिए, मेगा होना चाहिए. बट छोड़िए. उसके बाद हाउ इट लुक फ्रॉम ड्रोन ऐसा डाला तो भाई कोई गायब किया, पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों किया. और उसके बाद थोड़ी देर के बाद ही आई गेस इट हैज सम लिमिट्स. आई हैव सेड लाइक हाउ द सीन विल लुक फ्रॉम स्काई एंड इट जनरेटेड दिस फैबुलस इमेज दैट आई डिडंट इवन ट्राई टू जनरेट, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई. इट लुक्स ग्रेट ना. चाय विद बाय, देन भाई सिटिंग ऑन द चाय कप एंड लाइक हैविंग द सिप ऑफ टी. और ये इंडिया वाला सी. ओके. और या ये था कुछ तो. और लेट मी शो यू सम अदर थिंग वेयर इट हैज गॉन. अरे ये मत देखो यार, ये प्राइवेट वाला सीन है. अरे प्राइवेट. ओ माय गॉड. लेट्स स्टार्ट. This is the prompt. Create an image of 2 people of New York City and in the Fast and Furious type, blurry and speedy. It did the job. इन्होंने बना दी ये इमेज वेरी फास्ट. नाउ एक्सचेंज देयर पोजीशन. लेट्स सी कि ये एक्सचेंज कैसे करता है कैरेक्टर्स को. एंड इट डिड द जॉब. लड़की इधर, लड़का उधर. हाँ वही, थोड़ा लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम है बट समझ लोगे. देन वेयर दिस. इट डिड द जॉब. शी इज वोरिंग द थिंग. और जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, इट्स नॉट परफेक्ट, इट्स स्टिल इन प्रोग्रेस. इट्स डूइंग द जॉब बट नॉट परफेक्टली. but 90% of the time it will do the job. So see, ये जो है अभी ये पैर कैसे बाहर निकल रहे हैं from the front tire hood and the front look of the car, how it will see. अरे बाप रे, गाड़ी तो बढ़िया लग रहा है. Now how they will look if I am at the back seat. So उसके बाद let's talk about the reality checks. What are the real problems over here? But let's keep it real. So the problem is faces are not always consistent when there are more human elements. Like in the image, first I wrote the prompt like create an image of people in Indian market, then show the image from right view. This is also one of the problem. You should be able to explain it in detailed way so it can understand. And also a text distortion is also there, random elements, and due to that some lightning kind of changes also happen sometimes. So see, if we open this image and just zoom it, this is some kind of distortion and in the faces as well over here with this child image as well. And what is this kind of distortion happens, like it's not perfect. And see, what is this? I don't even know. And change their outfit to modern, it didn't run the job. I don't know why. Like it didn't understand any human element or didn't analyze it. But yeah, this is the problem. I said, can you add one uncle with child buying the vegetables from the first woman who's wearing orange color sari? But what it did, it added the element over here in the middle of the three ladies that were like selling the vegetables. So it depends on prompt. You should be very good at prompting and you should be able to understand. Sometimes it does the job, sometimes it's not. Like how the image will look from behind or from back. In this image, it did the job almost 80% of the time correctly. Like I have seen the uncle was here, this shop was here, but when it was behind, it just flipped the side and it shown the things. But see, again, if I'm seeing that thing from behind, like how can I see this woman again? That's the problem. Also, I checked the Reddit page and people are like complaining about some things like Nano Banana is not working.
Like, comment,
And
and subscribe.
ironically, it's in r/OpenAI. I don't know why. Am I using the wrong model? Make me sit inside that. Yeah, it sometimes does the job, but not every time. This kind of thing, not perfect, but maybe helpful inspiration for better prompt. Yeah, that's the thing I'm saying now. The prompt should be great.